Hi, I'm Peter Perch. I'm a fish artist and co-founder of Recast. I wanted to make a short video showing you how I went from this sketch in my sketchbook to this finished artwork that I will print into a sticker. And on top of that, I'm going to give away this Deps codename bass to a lucky winner. So stay tuned. I hope you enjoy this video. Shows a bit of my process, and you can win this puppy. Now, when I'm working in my sketchbook, I like to pencil things out with a good old-fashioned mechanical pencil, and then use a Posca brush pen with a nice brush tip to do the outline. I'm going to take a photo with my iPhone, get it over to my Mac, and I start drawing in Clip Studio Paint. So I like to use Clip Studio Paint because it feels most like drawing with natural media, like in my sketchbook, and it has a great iPad and desktop app. I like to do my digital inking on a Huion canvas tablet. I love the hand-to-eye coordination while I'm drawing, like I'm drawing on real paper. And it's a great alternative to the more expensive Wacom tablets. And yeah, it's just great fun to draw on these things. And it has great pressure control for great line work. While I'm drawing, I would like to tell you a little bit about Recast. It's an app that I developed with my fishing buddies. It's a social marketplace where you can buy and sell second-hand fishing gear. The funny thing about drawing on a tablet like this and with this digital natural media is that it's almost the same as drawing in my sketchbook, which gives my artwork a really natural look in my opinion. A little bit more about Recast. We are now live in the Netherlands, Belgium, Germany, France and Spain. But we have the ambition to be the biggest marketplace for fishing gear in all of Europe. So here comes a bit of special black magic wizardry. Now that I'm done drawing, I'm taking my artwork to Inkscape. Inkscape has the best image tracing tools in my opinion, so I can convert my drawing that I made in Clip Studio Paint into a vector file that I can then use in Affinity Designer to do some more digital drawing. So, all you have to do to win this Deps codename bass is buy anything at all on Recast, post it on your social media when you get it, tag Recast, and you can win this codename bass. I bought this myself on Recast myself. Giving it to you right now, I'm crazy, I know.